If you are looking forward to creating a clothing store, fashion, or jewelry store, I'm very sure that you are going to be looking forward to creating something professional and good looking. And to make the process much more easier, one of the things that you need to do is to use a WordPress theme that is specifically designed for an e-commerce website like this. And that's why in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the best clothing store WordPress theme that you can use to create your own clothing, fashion, or jewelry e-commerce website. So guys, if you are new to this channel, can you take out time to click on that subscribe button and also give the video a thumbs up. Do make sure you share and then you also subscribe to the channel. All right, so all the themes I'm going to be recommending to you in this video, I'm going to leave a link to them in the description of this video, and some other awesome benefits that I have for you in the course of this video. So before we start looking at those themes one after the other, just let me know in the comment section below what kind of store are you looking forward to. Is it just a clothing store, the fashion store, or the jewelry store? Then let me know all of this in the comment section below. So guys, with that, now let's head over to the first theme that I'll be recommending to you. Remember, I've gone through a lot of themes, look at them one after the other before, picking the top 10 that comes highly recommendable. So now let's check out the first one. Now, the first theme on our list is called Rango. You can see elegant fashion WooCommerce WordPress theme. So looking at it from the display image here, you can see some of the features of this particular theme. Now, if any theme I'm going to be sharing with you, like I said, that the link will be in the description of this video. So once you come on the page, you see an option to add it to cart. So this is where you're going to click to add it to cart. If you don't have an account, you might need to create an account, and then you purchase the theme. Then you'll be able to download the theme files and the license code that you are going to upload to your WordPress site. All right, so now let's explore Rango. So for this now, it has 34 demos, Gutenberg optimize, ultra performance theme, 360 product review, multiple blog layout, multiple page portfolio layout, token, WC vendor, and marketplace. So what this is saying is, if it has different demo that you can work with, and then you can also use it for multi-vendor websites where other people can also come and create an account to sell their own products. So if you scroll down to check out the features, you can see there's 4 plus ready to use demo. All right, so this is one of the interesting parts of some of these themes. So you can see these 34 demos. Here are some of them. So if you look at any of them and then you just like the way the layout is, or maybe it fits the kind of products that you want to sell, you can just import them. The only thing you might need to know is to change the information. Probably you just upload your own products and then still maintain the same layout, the same style. All right, so it all depends on you. And if you look at some of these demos, you can look at them looking very neat, very professional. These are the things that will actually help you increase conversion. People will not want to come to your website and look at the website like this website is looking somehow, but with the demo you can see they are well designed and looking good and professional. So in terms of speed, this theme promises high speed performance, and then again the demo, you can import them easily. Talking about mobile layouts, it's very responsive because there are chances that some of your customers might be coming to your website from their mobile device. All right, so you need to pay attention to this, and this theme is mobile responsive. So now let's look at some of the key features randomly. Ultra performance, mobile version ready, 360 product viewer, off canvas cart, SEO optimize, and the like. So even on desktop and mobile, it is well optimized. In terms of page builder, this works with WP Bakery page builder. It also has Revolution slider. So like I mentioned earlier, it works with Docan, WC vendor, and WC marketplace. So if you want to use, you can also use this theme to create a marketplace that allows other people to create an account or to create a shop on your site. Okay, so this is showing you the different layouts that you can get using this Rango theme. All right, so size and color variation swatches, you can see gallery lightbox, wish list feature. So you can have a wish list for your products. You can also have the compare option within your web. Your customer can compare 2 products side by side. Okay, CMS status block, off canvas. So right here are all the features that this particular theme has. So you can see them. The more you scroll down, the more you see more great features from this. If you want to have a blog section, you can see how it will look like, pop up, and the likes. Okay, so this is it from Rango. If this interests you, just come over to this page. All the links will be in the description. Come over here, click on add to cart, and then you are good to go. Next on our list is NZ. So here is a multi-purpose WooCommerce WordPress site. So once it's a multi-purpose WooCommerce website, that means you can use it to create other kind of website apart from the clothing website, okay? But here we are focusing on the clothing, the fashion, or maybe the jewelry kind of website, okay? So if you scroll down to this, you can see this has 8 demos for you to work with, okay? And then it works with WPP Bakery. You're going to, it works with a Revolution slider and NZ WordPress theme. This is an interface to let you know that this theme works with WP Bakery page builder. It has Revolution slider Cs if you want to create awesome hero section. Very responsive on mobile. This is also very important for an e-commerce website. Now this theme, it has 5 shop filter style, okay? There are different ways if you want to filter, maybe different category. Here is one style, this is another style. The one will appear on the sidebar, the one that will appear as a drop down, and then the one that will appear as, you know, as a complete menu on its own, you know, different filter. And then in terms of layout, you can see 7+ product layouts. So if you want the thumbnail slider, the one that has a sidebar, you know, thumbnail grid, then this is another style, another kind of thumbnail grid, you know, vertical thumbnail, horizontal thumbnail. You know, there are different things that you can work with to make your own website, you know, unique and different from every other website that is using the same theme. Exactly. All right. So 3+ quick shop layouts. Okay. So these are the different layouts for more than 4 products over style. So you can see a different position of all of these effects here. All right. So powerful Ajax, and these are more features. You can see it here. This also Revolution slider, multi-language, MailChimp, Docker, you know, WooCommerce, talking about how fast the website is, you know, it's very important. You know, once your website is slow, if a customer should come on your website and your website is slow, you know, they'll just leave immediately. All right. So it's a team that also supports speed. Okay. So that's it on NZ WordPress theme. So let's look at the next one. The next one is Woman. Okay. So here is another one, Woman. So if you're a fan of Elementor Page Builder, so this theme is for you. It works with Elementor Page Builder. And here is also a multi-purpose, you know, a multi-purpose theme. So you can use it for all-round fashion, but we are focusing on clothing, so it will definitely work well for you. Just like the other ones that we've looked at, this also comes with unlimited demos, all right? So you can check out some of the demos. If any of the demos actually interest you, you can just go ahead and import it, all right? So that's one of, you know, the great things about some of these premium themes, okay? The demo, right? So just import the demo. It makes all your web design process much more easier. Then different header style. If you want your logo to be at the left, you want it to be at the center, you want it to be at the center top, or you just want it as a sidebar, okay? So there are different options that you can use from it. Then you also have the Elementor footer builder. You can use their own footer or you create yours from scratch, depending on how creative you are using Elementor page builder. All right. So every other thing here is letting you know that you can customize everything using Elementor. So talking about page filter, so this also has different options to filter the categories and the pages of the website. All right. So multi-concept product page, so you can see it here, how different products actually look like. So unique features that make shopping simple, okay? So this is what the cart page actually looks like once they've had items to cart. So this is showing you what it looks like, or maybe an item on wish list. So this is what it's actually look like, okay? So Elementor pop-up builder, so if you want to add pop-up, either, you know, to show a current offer or to capture your customers or your clients' emails, the features is also available. Advanced add to cart feature, it is also available within this particular theme. Then you also have access to premium Elementor widgets, okay? Courtesy of this theme, so if you are even using the regular version of Elementor, but once you acquire this theme, you also have access to some premium widgets, courtesy of Woman theme, all right? So multi-use WooCommerce widgets, you know, a lot of widgets will be available to you once you decide to acquire this particular thing, okay? So don't forget, this is Woman. So if you want to get this, it's available for $69. So you can go ahead and add it to cart and get started with your fashion e-commerce website. All right, so guys, I hope you are finding value in some of these themes. So if you do, please give the video a thumbs up. All right, so now let's look at the fourth one. Yeah, this is the fourth theme that comes highly recommendable, which is Serial Fashion WooCommerce WordPress theme. All right, so this is a little less, which is $59. to the previous one. So this also comes with pre-made demos. You can see this has a 12 demos, 6 shop layouts design, and then 10 single products design. Okay, so you can pick from any of the demos. So here is just a sample of what the demo look like. So this is one demo here. Here is another demo. So you can see looking very colorful and professional, well layout. All right, all for different fashion styles. Okay, so Studio comes with a lot of options for your shop layout. So there are different options available. So that is what this particular page is showing you. So live search, there's a live search. Product quick review, this is what it looks like. Product countdown, you can create a countdown for a product. You know, advanced variant swatch. So that is to compare between two products. So here is what the cart page look like. Okay. And then you can also have this newsletter pop-up. Okay, it's also available here. And then unlimited shop filter. So there are different ways you can filter some of the products and the categories. That's what it's showing you. The top, you can have it as a sidebar, you can have it as a drop down, then you can have it as a single page of its own. Okay, so start creating your e-commerce brand with multi-vendor marketplace solution. All right, so this also supports multi-vendor marketplace. So multi-vendor marketplace, like I mentioned earlier, means you can have a website where other people can create an account and start selling their own products. Okay, so user-friendly mobile and other device. That's talking about how mobile friendly it is on your phone and any other devices. All right, so this, if you scroll down this page, you're going to see everything that this theme has to offer. So if this also interests you, do make sure you check it out. Serial, that's the name of this particular theme. All right, guys, let's look at the fifth theme. The fifth theme is called Ubit. All right, so this is a fashion store WooCommerce website. So for Ubit, this works with Elementor Page Builder, and it's a fast and lightweight WooCommerce site. So if you are concerned about, maybe if you want to have so many products on your site, you might also want to consider this so that your site will not be slow. You know, you can also consider this. So let's check out some of the demos. So this is one of the demo of this particular site. You can see looking very simple and straightforward. So you can use this as a category page or your product page where you can have the name and the price. You know, if you also like this demo, you can just import it once you acquire this theme. And as you can see, it's a very simple, lightweight WordPress theme. And if you are very creative with Elementor, you can have something different. This is one home page. If you want to see the second home page, so you can just come over here and go to home page 2. If you want to check out what other pages looks like, so you can come to shop, you check what's the checkout, you see what the checkout page looks like, the carts, the product variation, the simple products. If you want to see what the blog page looks like, you can just do that here. All right, so this has some pre-built demo that you can just use straight away. So if this interests you, you can see there's the option to buy now. So just click here to buy now, or maybe on this page you can add it to carts. All right, so that is it on Ubit. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinja to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinja is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are 3 plans. There are 3 packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those 3 packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember, you're also going to get some 3% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25, and in terms, now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right, so once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months Okay. 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay. And I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many, up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay. So right here, you see your summary here. Now, the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discount, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinger. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payment. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59.88, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinger is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right. So now let's continue with our video. So here we have clothes here. Okay, this is a fashion store e-commerce theme. All right. So for this works with Elementor Page Builder, WooCommerce, Advanced IaaS Filter, Multi-Vendor and Marketplace, Multi-Currency and Language. So that means if you want to have a website that works with multi-currency, that means people from different parts of the world with different currency can shop conveniently on your website without having issues with different currency or currency conversion. The website will do that for you. Then if it also has some demo, one-click installation, there is no problem with that. Okay, so now let's explore some of the features of this particular theme. So it also comes with its own set of demos. So you can see it here, see the different layouts of demos available to you. So let's check out some of the demos itself. So you can see it here. I think this is about 8 demos. So if you want to check out any of the demos, once you click on it, you're going to see all of the pages. So you can go through some of the pages, the cart page, the wish list, the checkouts, the contact us page, and every other pages. But you can see these are different styles for the home pages, all right? And it also supports RTL, that's right to left. So it's either if you want to create your own website such that the text will be written from right to left, or maybe you want to create a website in languages that are written from right to left, like maybe Arabic or Hebrew, then this theme comes highly recommendable for that. So you can see the #1 drag and drop website builder. So you can make use of Elementor Page Builder to either edit the demo or to create some of your pages yourself. All right, so product image over. Okay, so this has that feature where you can hover over the image, product image, and then it will just show you in maybe 360 form. All right, so it comes with different header style. So you can see if you want whichever style you want to use, either the one with stop bar, or maybe the logo by at the left, logo at the center, logo at the top. Everything is available within this theme. Sidebar menu, if you want to use a sidebar menu, you can achieve that. This is the WooCommerce features. Talking about the mobile bottom menu, so that's this. If you look at some of e-commerce websites that have this bottom menu where you see the home filter and the likes, and there's still another mega menu at the upper left. Okay, so this theme actually has that feature. Okay. So single product, this is one of the ways the single product will also appear. All right, so you can also come over here and check out all the features, and then if this is what you want to go with, you can just come over here and add it to cart. So guys, again, I hope you're finding value. Please, if you do, give the video a thumbs up and let me know again, what kind of website are you looking forward to create? What kind of, is it the clothing, is it fashion, is it jewelry, and which of these themes are you going with? Let me know all of this in the description of this video. I mean, in the comments rather, sorry, in the comment section. I don't know why I'm mixing that up. All right, so let's look at another one, Styler. So for this now, you can see it has over 1,000 sales so far. Modern WooCommerce WordPress theme. So if you scroll down, so let's see some of the features of this theme. So this also comes with its own set of demo, talking about how mobile responsive, clean and unique designs. Okay. Simple and fast shopping, super responsive, it appears well on your mobile device. Simple adjust checkouts, and these are different sections of the website. So this is what some of demos of the site looks like. All right, so you can see it here. These are the demo, and this is what the the product page looks like, where you have your product, you have your title, your price, your description, and then here you can select the different variation, and then you can add it to cart from here. You can have other images for that product showing just below the primary image. All right, so you can also switch to the black version. You can have that option within your website. Maybe your customer like to view their site in dark mode. Okay, so you can also have that within your website. All right, so here's the checkout page. This is an account page, what it looks like. All right, so different header style. So you can see it here, different header and footer option is available for you to choose from. Different menu style for you to also choose from. Okay, so it comes with a whole lot of features that will actually interest you. Okay, so you can also check out Styler also. Again, the link is in the description of this video. All right, so next on our list is called Sober. Sober is actually one of my favorites among all my lists that I'm sharing with you. Others are great, no doubt, but Sober comes highly recommendable. So this is a fast, unique, minimal WooCommerce theme, Elementor supported. All right, so either you are familiar with Elementor or WP Bakery Page Builder. These two page builder works well with this particular theme. All right, so now let's check it out together. So you can see it here, Elementor Page Builder, WP Bakery, and WooCommerce. And this comes with 16 demos. And if you look at these demos, you can see there, this is a minimal design, okay? And here is another demo, different demos. So you can just check out any of them. And if any of them interest you, just go ahead and acquire the theme and import them, all right? But they are great, great theme. So you can see it here. These are all the 16 demos that is available, and I believe they'll still add more to it. So you can see this one, these 4 were recently added. Okay, so this is what the shop page the product page. So you can see product page 1, 2, and 3 different product page that you can actually choose from. And then if you want to see the shop page, so this is what the shop page looks like. Okay, and then other pages also. So other shop page, this is what it actually looks like. All right, so it has a product over effects. So a lot of pre-made pages for your every need. All right, so this is what the contact page looks like. They have like 2 different contact page. You can see here another 2 different about us page. If you want to have the team page, you can see a demo here. If you want to have an FAQ, that's frequently asked question, store, that's your location or your coming soon page. And if you want to add a blog or a portfolio, there's a template for you that you can work with. Okay, so these are some premium plugins that comes with this particular theme. That's WP Bakery Slider Revolution. If you want to create awesome hero section, Elementor Page Builder, WooCommerce, variation swatches, MailChimp, Contact for 7, and then MetaBox. So this total plugin saves you about $123. Okay. Meanwhile, the theme itself costs $59. So you can see it's a great value for money with over 10,000 downloads. So you can be rest assured that you are really getting a great theme. So that is it on Sober. All right, so you can also check this out if this is what you want to go for. All right, so next on our list now is kids. Okay, now if yours is a kids store, now this is a thing that you actually need to go for. If you're looking for to create a store that is meant for kids, maybe you want to sell kids clothing, kids fashion attires and the likes. Okay, so you can see in terms of the demo and even the fonts. Okay, you can see the fonts that's used here talks a lot about something for kids. So you can see this has 5 demos that you can choose from. All right. So amazing, fast, perfect for SEO, affect engagement, affect conversion, and people like speed. Okay, I think I mentioned that earlier. Okay, and it has some video demonstration in case you're having any issue. Talking about mobile friendly, it has a good mobile layout. All right, so this is it for kids. So guys, I've gone through all the themes I want to share with you in this video. Again, let's look at it together. We talked about we looked at Rango, NZ, Woma, Stereo, Ubits, then Cloutier, Styler, we looked at Soba, and then we look at kits. Actually, these are 9. I promised 10, but while preparing for this video again, I had to take one theme out because I noticed some things. So I need to recommend the best themes for you. So guys, let me know what you think about some of these themes. Let me know which of these themes are you going for, and what kind of e-commerce or fashion clothing store are you looking forward to create. So whichever one you want to go for, I'll leave a link to it in the description of this particular video. Also, do check out Hostinger. So if you want to take advantage of the 73% off plus a free domain you're going to be getting costing of Hostinger, do make sure you check it out. I'll leave a link to their page in the description of this video. All right, so guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in another video. Thank you very much. Bye for now.